What's up, and thanks for hanging out in the garage today. We're actually gonna get out of the garage today and feed a little bit of my car addiction. Well, I'm on the road now to feed this car addiction. I'll tell you how it went down. Saw the ad on Facebook for this car. I was really excited. Saw it, was pumped up, tried to get a hold of the guy, and I look on the ad and it says, please don't message me, call me. And then he put his phone number. Now, apparently when you put your number out on social media, on Facebook or whatever, they block it. So it just says hidden information, and I can't find the guy's phone number. So I'm dying here, man. I'm trying to figure out this guy's number. The guy's name on Facebook was George. I did a little internet research, and this is about 20 minutes going by now, and I'm doing a little bit of internet research trying to figure out how to get George's number. Who is George? How do I figure out how to get George's phone number? Luckily for me, George owns a welding company. So I call the welding company and they get me straight connected with George. They give me their boss man's number. George owns the company. Turns out the car belongs to his son. This is why we couldn't message him. He wanted me to call him directly. And I explained to him that, there's no number. So he gives me the number. The guy's name is Dylan, and I give Dylan a call, and he is willing to sell the car and help me feed my car addiction. All right, I made it here. I'm just pulling in, so I'm just gonna get out here and check out the car. It's a nice little shop. Well, it's a nice big shop this guy's got. I don't see the car yet, but it must be around here somewhere. I'm at least in the right place. Got her loaded up. Dylan was nice enough to ratchet it in and got it loaded up. Check it out. It's an 89 SI. Pretty pumped on that. I'm just gonna get it strapped down and then we can take off and take her home. Let's check it out. What do you think? What do you think, Joe? I think Joe likes it at least. I really just don't like the car sitting here just being dirty, so I'm just gonna get in there and vacuum it all out, just so that when it's sitting here, it just looks nice. Hey, let's check out what's in the glove box, Joe. What do you think is gonna be in here? What is it? mostly just papers, huh? Napkins. Nasty. Oh, here's a registration. Yeah. Some newspapers. Mostly. Oh, what was that? That's more. That's another registration right there. Oh, I guess if you want to go to tanning bed, I got you, Joe. What else we got? Oh, it's an ID. I better not show that. Oh, no, it doesn't. Hey, it's a skunk too. Apparently they spent a little money on the adjustable front camera kit, or at least so it says. So let's get under there and see what it looks like. Oh, hey, look at that. It is. Get some focus there. Nice. Guess we'll put the big guns on that one. Oh, yeah. See, I take that cover off. Well, that one's done for us. At least that one came out good. Is it this battery, maybe? Oh man, let's see. Oh, but that's maybe why. Because we're down to 1 on the battery. What's this one got? Oh, well, that's not much better, but a little bit. Let's see if it'll get it out. Got it all vacuumed out and everything's clean now. It's actually the next day here because I need a little time to figure out what I'm gonna do with this car. I just bought it thinking, man, what a good deal, and I just have the CRX addiction, as you can see here behind me. I got a few of them stacking up now. With this one, I'm really not sure what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna maybe just put another motor in it and send it on down the road for somebody else to enjoy. I don't know. Either way, just hang out with me and we'll get it figured out. But until next time, stay mad.